Hi Wallabies, welcome to Community Living with your girl Malebo. If you're new to the channel, please remember to subscribe, and if you're stopping back by and just continuously supporting the channel, you know the jingle by now, so sing along with me. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So thank you very much for continuing to support the channel, for your comment, liking, sharing, everything that you've just been doing. As you can all see, we're on our road to 1,000 subscribers, and we're very much excited about that. So there's 21 subscribers that are left before we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, and we have a giveaway for when we reach 1,000 subscriber mark. So please do follow the information that I've shared on various social media sites as to how you can be one of the winners when we reach that 1,000 subscriber mark. I'm gonna get into today's topic, and we're just gonna be discussing all things making money online, all things additional income stream, all things side hustles, right? Like, this channel is dedicated to financial literacy, and sometimes it's just so hard to save, it's hard to invest, it's hard to pay off your debts. So we need something to just supplement our income. If we have an income, if we don't have an income, this might be one of the ways that we are able to generate an income while we wait for employment, or while we wait to start our business, or whatever the case might be, right? So we're looking into the top 5 survey sites that are 1, legit, 2, they will pay you, 3, they just, survey sites that are doing the most, right? So all the survey sites that I'm listing, I've personally used them. I have an experience. This is not something that I heard someone talking about and I'm just sharing it with you. No, I've used them. I have accounts. I am using them currently, and I know how they work. So I will be sharing my experience. I'll be sharing what you can be doing. I'll be sharing the advantages and disadvantages of each platform, and also how much money I've made on the platforms, so that you can be able to distinguish from each of the platforms that I've used, and whether or not they're worth your time, because we know time is money. Before I even start, yes, you can make money from surveys. Okay, I just want that to sink in. Let's just let that, marinate a bit before we move on. The very first one that we're going to be looking into, which is in position 5, is LifePoints. So LifePoints is a platform whereby some of the advantages is that they will be able to send you emails. So they'll send you an email to say, okay, there's a survey that we think you might be a suitable candidate for, and then you can be screened for it. And then they give you the points that you'll be able to get from filling that survey, right? And then another thing is that the screening time is not as bad, right? So some survey sites, you find that you're using 2 to 3 minutes, sometimes even 5 minutes of your time being screened as to whether or not you're a candidate for a survey. So now we're going to go into disadvantages of using this platform. So the disadvantage is that there's no app that I'm aware of, no referral system, and the only way to make money is through filling surveys. The last disadvantage is that it uses points, so you have to gain a certain amount of points, and points you will then redeem them for reward. Their rewards are not standardized. For example, you need about 9,133 to get $5, but you need about 11,600 points to get 100 rand Takealot voucher. Not a 1:1 type of system. The system is not standardized, and it's hard to really gauge which one to go for. One thing I've realized is that the Takealot vouchers and the ShopRite vouchers are actually far more cheaper than getting a PayPal voucher. So since I'm South African and I can use Takealot and ShopRite, I might as well just get those vouchers. That's basically it when it comes to LifePoint. I've made 7,750 points, and if we're looking at the PayPal voucher, it's plus minus $3. And then if we're looking at the Takealot voucher, it's plus minus $60. The fourth One that I'm going to talk about is Survey Time. So I've already spoke about Survey Time in the previous video. Survey Time is definitely one of my least favorites. We'll come to like understand why I don't like the site, and I've actually opted to not do their surveys anymore because I really don't enjoy them at all. So the advantage of it is that it's easy to sign up. There are quite a number of surveys on a daily basis, so you'll never go a day without getting a survey. Then the disadvantage is that you basically are kept to $1. So I've never seen a survey that is more than $1. So you've got also various payment options. So you get an advantage is that they pay you immediately after the survey. So once you're done and they're happy with the work that you've done, then they pay you like to whatever payment option you've selected. So I usually select PayPal, so they will pay me directly to my PayPal account. So I've made about $5 on this site, and $5 is about 14 Rand, so that's about let's just say $75, just below $75. So another thing is that the advantages is that there are quite a number of consumer studies that you have to do. Consumer studies are really boring because they ask you the same questions over and over again about different or like about similar things that are slightly different. So they'll ask you maybe about gum to say, okay, do you like the one that's in that regular square packet? Do you like the one that's in the smaller pack, rectangular one? Do you like the one in the container? So they will just keep on asking you like those questions, and I find them very boring and very tedious, so I don't like that. But if you can handle all that type of pain, yeah, then maybe you might be able to go for it. And then the third one, which is one of my favorite, is Sagapol. Sagapol is an African survey site, and Sagapol is basically available in like a lot of African countries. It's not just South Africa. So I think I saw about 12 other countries that it's available in. So if you're not South African, you can still be able to use this site. So the advantage is that it's an app-based platform, and then they send you notifications on your phone whenever there's a survey that you can do, and yeah, give you points for answering the get to know you questions. So while they're like just finding out more information about you, whether or not you're going to be suitable for certain surveys, then they're already giving you points. Another advantage is that they've got daily surveys that you can actually get money from or get points from. And the last advantage is that they've got a referral system that you can use. You get about 5 points for a referral system, which is about 35 cents. So that looks like cents, literally cents, but it just depends. If you refer 10 people, you get 3 Rand 50, and in the long term, that might be something. Essentially free money, but you have to decide, is the free money worth your time? Those are some of the considerations you have to make. The disadvantages that I'm going to just list for the site: to wait quite a long time for the cash out. You have to get to 5,000 points before you get 350 rands that they're promising. That you have to, there's only one way to get paid. So you reach 5,000 points and then you get 350. So before then, you won't be able to cash out your funds. And then I've done one survey with them because I've only had it for over a week. I've done one survey with them, and that survey was approximately equal to 10 bucks, right? And then one of the things that I liked about the survey is that I actually thought I was still being screened while I was doing it, right? So I think they did like a quick screening with 2 questions, and they didn't even tell me that I was already doing the survey, and I thought I was still being screened. And before I knew it, they're like, oh, congratulations, you can redeem your points. I'm like, what? Okay, this is really nice. So if you're getting paid 10 bucks per survey, and that survey was less than 5 minutes long, like I would even say I did that survey within 2 to 3 minutes. That's really good money for surveys, because that $1 that I spoke about for survey time takes you plus minus 30 minutes. So yeah, that's why I decided I'm not gonna deal with survey time anymore, because it's really not worth my time. Because $1 is 14 rands for 13 minutes. It means they're basically giving you about 50 cents per minute of your time, you know. So just be aware of things like that. So the second one that I'm going to be speaking about, or the one that's in second position, is Enlighten Panel. So some of the disadvantages, okay, let's talk about the advantages. Some of the advantages of using this is that it's easy for you to sign up. The screen don't take too long, and then they pay really well, right? So it's about $1 per minute of your time. So I've done 3 surveys. One was the introductory survey. So when you start, they give you like 5 points, which is equivalent to 1 rand. So 1 point is equivalent to 1 rand. So this one is easy to track how things are working. So when you see a survey and they're like, okay, 40 points, you know you're getting 40 rands. So I did 2 other surveys. One was worth $40, the other one was worth $15, and the minimum cash out amount is $50. So you can cash out $50, but using a voucher. So you don't get actual money, you get like maybe a Takealot voucher, MTN, or like one of the network providers, be it MTN, Telkom, Vodacom, all of those guys. So you get like that type of reward system or point system, right? And then the disadvantages is that sometimes it takes way too long for them to give you surveys. Like it's been a week and I haven't received a survey from Enlighten Panel. And then another thing is that it takes way too long to be able to cash out. So you can redeem the voucher. So because I have 60 points, I've redeemed 50 of those points with a Takealot voucher, but it takes plus minus 30 days to be able to get that voucher, for them to give me that voucher. So I don't know why it takes so long. And then another thing is that the minimum cash out amount, obviously if you have like 5 points, you can't get 5 rands from it, right? So yeah, so those are some of the things that you should be aware of when it comes to Enlighten Panel. And then the one that's in position 1, drum roll. So we've made it to number 1, numero uno, which is Prolific. So if you don't know about Prolific, do watch the video that I did last week that just goes into the various survey sites that I've used, including some of the American-based ones that are not really making me any money, you know, platforms such as YSense and so forth. I haven't really made money on any of those platforms. And then I've made, guess how much I made on Prolific, guys? Just take a wild guess. So I've made $675 on Prolific within 3 weeks. So that's how well they pay. So I've made $675 on Prolific, and from that $675, I've been paid for each and every submission that I've made, right? So there hasn't been a submission where they're like, nah, you didn't make the cut, all those things. So that's really been great. The advantages is that it's easy to sign up. You've got a lot of fun surveys that you're going to be doing. They've got great support. So if you run into a problem and so forth, especially if if you've submitted and maybe you don't get a code or something like that, then you can send support. You can send like an email to support, great support system or great support helpline and so forth. And then they pay really well. For me to be able to make 675 already means that there's a big bucks. So I've done 2 or 3 surveys where I got paid about £5, which is equivalent to $100. So already 2 surveys worth $100 each. You're not gonna get any survey site giving you that. So please do sign up. They've run into a bit of a problem in terms of signing up. Not everyone can sign up, but people can still sign up, right? And then the disadvantage is that there are too many users. There's too many of us that already know that Prolific is where you get the shmula is where the real money is. And then there aren't that many surveys that are being listed, and even when they are being listed, they're being grabbed so quickly. And then most of the studies require a PC. So if you are someone that usually uses their phone, you're going to struggle. So you need to be on your PC all the time and ready to take a survey whenever a survey is available. So it's been 2-3 days that I haven't been able to get a survey. There was a day where I saw the surveys, but I couldn't get them, right? Because other people had grabbed them so quickly. So that is the survey site that's in position 1. And guys, from this, let's just try to tally up. 675 Prolific, $60 from Enlighten Panel. Then we go to Sagapol. So from what I've calculated, I've made about $23 on Sagapol, and I've made $5 on Survey Time, which is about, okay, let's just say $70. And then I've made about $3, which is about $45. So in total, I have made 873 rands in the month of September from surveys, right? I'm not including some of the survey sites that I've done, that I've also tried out, which are not doing as well as these ones that I've spoke about. So these are definitely something that you have to just look into for yourself and see what you can do, right? Maybe you're just going to sign up just for Prolific, or you're just going to sign up just for Sagapol, or whichever one. But definitely do check them out. It is free money, guys. So and it's easy to sign up, and they don't need anything from you. So I don't see the reason why you wouldn't be able to sign up, or why you shouldn't sign up. So thank you very much for watching up until here. And if you have any questions regarding surveys, if you have any questions regarding making money online, please comment down below. And also towards the end, you can watch this video just to have a better understanding of survey sites and how they work and so forth, and also any other side hustles. So we're going to be covering side hustles holistically, not just survey sites. It's just that survey sites are the easiest ways to make money, but they take up a lot of your time. So thank you very much, and may you enjoy your week, your month, your year, and God bless you and your family. Love you.